Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Like, subscribe and share the videos with your friends and loved ones. In today's video, I'm going to take the class JS1 Basic Science, and the topic we are going to look at is Introduction to Science. So let's start by looking at etymology of the word science. The word science is derived from the Latin word scientia, which means knowledge. Let's look at meaning of science. Science is a body of knowledge obtained by method based on observation, study, and practice. This system uses observation, which include you see, your senses, the sense organs, the eyes, the nose, the ears, the skin, and the tongue. So it uses observation and then experiments to describe and explain natural phenomena. A person who studies science is known as scientist. There are basically three main branches of science, namely 1. Biology, which is a study of living things. The second one is chemistry. Chemistry is a study of matter and its composition, structure, properties, transformation from one form to another, and the energy that accompanies its transformation. It studies the composition, structure, and properties of matter and the changes matter undergoes. Matter composed of mass and also take up space. The third branches of science is physics. It is a scientific study of matter, its fundamental constituents, its motion and behavior through space and time, and the related entities of energy and force. This deals with everyday phenomena and aims to explain these phenomena in terms of fundamental laws of nature. It's also the study of matter and energy and their relationship. Now let's look at the importance of science. Transportation. Science has helped in discovering and production of various means of transportation of people, goods, and services from one place to another. You see various means of transport like the car, the school bus, taxi, train, aeroplane, bus, police car, helicopter, bicycle, ship, garbage truck, fire truck, boats, hot air balloons, and rockets. So the second aspect is communication. The knowledge of science has helped to reduce the world to global village through the invention of the internet, the radio, the telephone, and the telex. The third one is medicine. Development of drugs and vaccines for preventing and curing various diseases. Electricity. Through the invention of electricity and various electrical and electronic appliances, the quality of life has improved greatly. The fifth one is agriculture. Science has helped to improve agricultural practices and enhance the production of food for the growing population of the world. Now let's look at reasons for studying science. Why do we study science? 1. Science improves your analytical skills. 2. Science teaches us to learn how to solve problems. 3. Science makes us to be practical. 4. Science is creative. 5. Science helps us to make new inventions. Example, the cars, the phones, television sets, etc. Now let's look at the scientific method. What are scientific methods? Scientific methods are steps taken by scientists when trying to solve scientific problems. The scientific method consists of 1. Observation. What is observation in science? You can see the little boy trying to observe how particles interact with each other. Defining the problem. Identifying of problems. That's the second step. The third step is gathering and classifying data, which involve either one-to-one interviews, focus group, record keeping, observation, longitudinal studies, and case studies. The fourth one is forming of hypothesis. It could be a solid question or background research or making sure it's testable. This can involve dependent and independent variable. For the junior student, you get to learn this as you go further. Now, record keeping and interpretation. You can see the child trying to record his observation, and interpretation involves looking at the evidence, evaluating it to look for a pattern, and drawing a conclusion from the data. It also involves recommending further testing where necessary and identifying human mistakes and experimental errors. Now the sixth one is drawing conclusion. Finally, you draw conclusion after reviewing the data. You'll be able to see the outcome of your scientific theory. Did your finding confirm or disprove your hypothesis? 7 is the theory and law. You have to know the difference between theory and law. Now, a law describes what happens. Scientific law describes what happens. While scientific theory explains why or how it happens. Laws such as Albert Einstein law, E equals to mc squared, the law of the energy, and then Newton's law, F equals to ma, force equals to mass times acceleration. So these are laws. Why is a theory explain why or how something happens? Now we ran up the lesson by taking our assignments. Assignment question 1, define science. Question 2, list the 3 main branches of science. Question 3, enumerate 5 reasons for studying science. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Recommend this channel to your friends and loved ones so that we can reach far and near.